Yapa, makawla. Hello mga friendsy! Ngayon ay magluluto tayo ng buhay na hipon. As you can see, I just arrived from the market at ito ang binili ko na lulutuin natin ngayon. Ito. Yan, buhay na hipon. Lalagyan natin ng minced garlic or ano kayang maganda, buttered shrimp or just steamed shrimp and dip in spicy soya. At ito naman mga friends ang ating lulutuin na pang sabaw. Ito ang dalag. Yan. Kahit nakatay na, gumagalaw pa. Ay, yan. Sige mga friends, see you in my cooking time. God bless everyone. Kagaya ng nakikita nyo, ang dakilang inday sa bahay ay laging nagluluto. So, this is your friend in YouTube channel, Cooking Janet. Thanks for watching everyone. Please likes, comments, and subscribes. God bless and see you when I'm cooking ang dakilang dalag na isusup natin. Ang tawag nila dito is snake fish. Okay mga friends, goodbye and God bless. And now, dear friends, we are going to make a minced garlic with shrimp. As you can see, this is the fresh shrimp. Now we are going to cut the shrimps. This is now our shrimp with minced garlic, dear friends. You can see.